Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan equipped with the Adaptive Vans side entry ramp. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp down. You will first open up the door. And the ramp is powered, so you will have a key fob that you can bring the ramp out with. So this is the fold-out ramp, and the width on this ramp is going to be 29 inches. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 54 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have passenger removable front seat. And this van here only has 77,000 miles. To bring the ramp back in, you can use your key fob again, like this. Once it's in, you can go ahead and close the door. Let's go ahead and check out the rear hatch. So back here you'll have room for some storage. You also have a spare tire here. And as you guys can see, we provide everyone with a set of manual straps. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping. But if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 77,000 miles. Here is the view of the front. Here is the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.